In this video, I'll show you how to fix Warzone 2.0 GPU driver version error on your PC. Now the first thing we want to try is come here and search for Task Manager. In here you want to go to Details, press on Name, and then you want to search for the Warzone. You can also find it under Processes, but you want to make sure that you also close it under Details after you close it on Processes. So what you want to do is you would just look for the game in here, and then you want to press End Task. Once you found it, head over to Details and see if you can find it in here, and then also End the task. Once you make sure it's completely closed down, what you want to do is come down here and search for Device Manager. In here, go to Display Adapters, right click on your graphics card, update the driver, then first do Search Automatically. If it says the best one you already have, then you want to go back and go to Browse My Computer, and then let me pick. From in here you want to select this one, the second one, not the Microsoft Basic one, but your graphics card under, press Next, and let it take that one. Once you've done that, there's another thing you can try if it's still not working, and that is simply to head over to the page where you have your graphics card. So I have the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Ti. So I would go to Google and I would search in my graphics card, and then I would search for driver. Then what I would do was I would go to the website and I would download the driver for this one and see if that works. Now those are the ways that you can fix it. Now I really hope this video helped you. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.